So find the derivative of sin 2x here. Let f of x equal to sin 2x here. And you know the trigonometry formula sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos of x here. Now you differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x here. Hence f dash of x is equal to 2 is a constant here. 2 into differentiation of this term here. Use here product formula. First function is sin x here into differentiation of second function cos x, then plus second function cos x right as it is here into differentiation of the first function here sin of x, bracket complete here. Okay, two constant here. First function sin x, differentiation of second function cos plus cos x right as it is, differentiation of first function. Therefore this is equal to 2 into bracket sin x into differentiation of cos x is minus of sin x, then plus here cos of x right as it is here, differentiation of sin x is cos of x. Hence 2 into bracket sin into minus sin here, minus of sin square x, then plus cos into cos becomes cos square x here. Hence this equal to 2 into cos square x minus sin square x is cos of 2x. 2 cos 2x is the answer here. So find the derivative of cot x here. Cot x can be written as cos divided by sin x. Cos of x divided by sin x. Then differentiating with respect to x here. Hence f dash of x is equal to denominator term square here. Sin x it's a square here. Then the denominator here sin x into differentiation of cos x here. Then minus of cos of x right as it is here, differentiation of sin x. Yes, so this is equal to sin x here into differentiation of cos x is minus of sin x, then minus cos of x right as it is here, differentiation of sin x is cos of x whole divided by sin square x here, whole divided by sin square x. Yes, so this is equal to here sin into sin becomes a sin square here, minus of sin square x, then minus sin cos into cos becomes cos square x here, divided by sin square x. In the numerator, take a minus common factor here. Minus is a common factor here. Hence, sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin square x here. And you know sin square plus cos square is 1. Therefore, this go to minus 1 divided by sin square x here. And 1 by sin square is a cosecant square. So minus of cosecant square x here. Differentiation of cot x is a minus cosecant square x. Okay, find the derivative of x raised to 5 minus cos x divided by sin x here. Differentiating with respect to x here. Differentiating with respect to x. So f dash of x is equal to, here use a quotient formula, denominator term square here. So sin x it's a square here. Then the denominator term sin x here into differentiation of a numerator term d by dx of x raised to 5 minus of cos of x minus x raised to 5 minus of cos x, right, as it is here. Differentiation of sin x here. Differentiation of sin x. Therefore, this is equal to, so sin of x here into x raised to 5 differentiation is 5x raised to 4 here. 5 into x raised to 4 minus. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x here. So minus of sin x here. Make it complete here. Then minus x raised to 5 minus of cos of x into, and the differentiation of sin is cos of x. 4 divided by, so sin square x here. Sin square x. Then take this sign inside the bracket here. 5x raised to 4 into sin x. So 5x raised to 4 into sin of x here. Minus into minus becomes a plus. Sin into sin becomes a sin square x here. Then the minus of x raised to 5 into cos x. X raised to 5 into cos of x here. Minus into minus becomes a plus. Cos into cos becomes a cos square x here divided by sin square x. Divided by sin square x here. Therefore, 5x raised to 4. 5x raised to 4 into sin of x here. Minus x raised to 5 cos x. Minus of x raised to 5 into cos of x here. Then plus sin square x plus cos square x becomes 1 here. So right here 1 divided by sin square x. Divided by sin square x. So this is the answer here. So find the derivative of x plus cos x divided by tan x here. Again use a quotient formula here. Denominator terms square here. So tan x it's a square here. Then right here denominator term tan x here into differentiation of x plus cos of x minus of x plus cos x here. X plus cos of x into differentiation of denominator term here tan of x here. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to right here tan of x here into here x differentiation is 1 here. Cos x differentiation is minus of sin x. Minus sin x minus x plus cos of x right as it is here. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x here. 4 divided by tan square x. Okay, this is the answer here. Find the derivative of x plus a here. Therefore, differentiation of x plus differentiation of a here. And you know x differentiation is 1 plus. Here a is a constant here. Differentiation of constant is 0. Therefore, the answer is 1 here. So find here the derivative of the function. In this case, use the product formula. First function is px plus q into differentiation of the second function r by x plus s. Then plus here r divided by x plus s second function into differentiation of the first function here px plus qx. Px plus q. Here so this is equal to px plus q, right as it is here. R is a constant here, and 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 divided by x square, then plus and the differentiation of constant s is 0 here. Here s is a constant, r is also constant, but with the function x term is there. So r keep as it is. 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. Constant differentiation is 0 plus r divided by x plus s into p into x is there. So p constant here and x differentiation is 1 plus and differentiation of constant is 0 here. Hence this is equal to px plus q into minus of r divided by x square here, then plus r upon x plus x into p. This is the answer here. So find the derivative of cx plus d whole square here. In this case, cx plus d whole square term is there. So differentiate the function here. D by dx of cx plus d whole square is equal to, differentiation of x square here. It is 2x here. Like that, this total term square is there. Total term square differentiation is 2 times of, so cx plus d into, then the differentiation of you just leave this to here, differentiate inside the term here, so cx plus d. Okay, then this is equal to 2 into cx plus d. Then c constant here, differentiation of x is 1 plus, and the differentiation of complete constant term is there, it is a 0. C constant right as it is, x differentiation is 1 and the differentiation of constant is 0. Therefore this is equal to 2 into cx plus d into c. This is the answer. Okay. So find the derivative of ax plus b whole raised to n here. So differentiate this function here, d by dx of ax plus b whole raised to n here. And again you know that differentiation of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. This is the formula. So consider complete this term as x here. X raised to n. Applying this formula, it gives n into ax plus b whole raised to n minus 1 into. Now you leave this n here. This n, differentiate this function here. D by dx of ax plus b. Therefore, this equal to n into ax plus b whole raised to n minus 1 into. Then a constant here, right as it is, differentiation of x is 1 plus differentiation of constant is 0. Therefore, n into ax plus b whole raised to n minus 1 into a. This is the answer here. So find the derivative of cx plus d whole raised to m here. Therefore, a differentiation of cx plus d whole raised to m is equal to, again using the previous formula, so we can write there m into cx plus d raised to m minus 1 into, leave this m here, leave this m, then differentiate of the function cx plus d. Therefore, this is equal to m into cx plus d raised to m minus 1 into, then c into x differentiation is 1 plus differentiation of constant is 0. So this is equal to m into cx plus d raised to m minus 1 into c. So this is the answer here. So find the derivative of ax plus b into cx plus d whole square. Here use the product formula. First function ax plus b, right as it is. Then differentiation of the second function here, cx plus d, it's a square here, then plus. So second function cx plus d whole square here into, then the differentiation of the first function here, that is ax plus b. Okay. Then this is equal to ax plus b into, then the total, the term differentiation cx plus d whole square is there, therefore 2 into cx plus d into, then the differentiation of only this function here. So c into x differentiation is 1 plus differentiation of constant is 0, then the plus. So cx plus d whole square here into bracket. Then the a constant here, x differentiation is 1 plus differentiation of constant is 0. Okay, repeat once again here. Write this one as it is. Total this term differentiation 2 into cx plus d. Need to leave this 2 here. Differentiate this term here. So c constant here, x differentiation 1 plus constant and d differentiation 0 plus here cx plus d whole square. Then a write as it is, x differentiation 1 and a constant b differentiation 0. Hence this is equal to, so here 2 is there and here c. So write here 2 into c, ax plus b into cx plus d. Then plus a is there, so write here a into bracket cx plus d is a square. This is the answer here.